Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to take screenshot in laptop. So let's start. This is my laptop, and to take the screenshot just click on the search icon and search here the snipping tool, and here you can see the snipping tool is search. Then click on the open, and here you see one dialog box is open. Then click on the news option, the new snip, just click on it and drag your mouse and take the screenshot. And here you can see the screenshot is automatically saved in Paint. If you want to save, just click on the file, click on the save as, and here you can edit the name of screenshot. So I just edit screenshot in laptop. Okay, then file tab is automatically selected the PNG. Just click on the save. That's it, your screenshot is saved. I just close this. You can use here the shortcut key, the sprint screen. You can take the button on this your keyboard. After the Alt and in between the Alt and Control, you can check the sprint screen button. Just press it and just go to the search icon and open here the Paint. Open this Paint and use the Control V to paste this screenshot. You can see you can just drag and minimize the size also. So total window screenshot here took. Okay, so if you want to change anything in this screenshot, you can change here. You can use this option to formatting. After that, you save this, click on the file and click on the save as. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.